In this video we're going to look at probability. Probability is the chance of something happening, and this branch of maths came about from gambling. Okay, they wanted to look at the chance of, I suppose, cards and blackjack and roulette. The first thing to know is probabilities will always lie between 0 and 1. So if you're getting an answer bigger than 1, you know your probabilities are wrong. Okay, usually it's going to be in decimal form or fraction form, except of course if it's 0 or 1. I have a probability scale here, and just to show you, if I get a probability of 0, well, that means the event is impossible. Okay, it can't happen. So for example, the chance of me rolling a 7 on a normal die, that's impossible. It can't happen. On the other side then we have an event that's certain to happen. So that, I don't know, I suppose that I can roll a number between 1 and 6 on a die. It's definitely going to happen no matter what. No matter what I roll, it's definitely going to be between 1 and 6, so it's certain. All other events then lie in between, or all other probabilities lie in between 0 and 1. Now, in the middle we have a 50-50 event. So say head or a tails on a coin. Okay, that's 50-50 even, or it's equally likely. And the closer then we get back to 0, the less likely an event is to happen. The more likely event is to happen, the closer we get to 1. Alright? So for example, if I got a probability of 2/3, well, that would lie around here on the scale. So that would be more likely to happen, whatever that event was. Okay, if the probability of that event happening, whatever event it was 2/3, well then that will be more likely to happen than not happen. Okay. The first type of probability we're going to go on to is theoretical probability. Theoretical probability states that the probability of an event happening is total number of outcomes on the bottom of the fraction, number of successful outcomes on the top of the fraction. So I suppose the best example, or the best thing I can do is an example for you. So I want to find the probability of rolling a 5 on a fair die. Well, probability of getting a 5, okay, on the fair die equals the total number of outcomes. Well, I could roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes. And then the total number of, the number of successful outcomes. So how many chances have I of rolling the 5? Well, there's only 1 5, so a 1 in 6. Okay, so the probability of rolling the 5 is 1 in 6. Question 2 then. The probability of choosing a heart from a deck of cards is the probability of choosing a heart equals the total number of cards in the deck, 52, number of hearts, 13, and if I can just simplify this fraction into 1/4. So I have a quarter chance of choosing a heart. Okay. So in this question here I have a bag of marbles. There they are. And I'm going to ask you what the chance is of putting in my hand without looking and taking a red marble. Probability of getting a red. So probability of red. Okay. Total number of marbles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And number of red, 3. Okay, so there's my chances of getting a red marble. Probability of getting a blue marble then. And there's 8 marbles in total, and how many blue is there? 1. Okay. And lastly, we'll say the probability of getting a black. Probability of getting a black marble is, again, 8 in total, 2 black, and we can simplify this into 1/4. Okay, that's it, guys. Theoretical probability as opposed to experimental probability. Okay, thanks.